Hey guys, it's mcfixit here. I have the FLEXIMOUNTS FS26. This is a 5-tiered steel black shelving unit that can be used in places like a garage, kitchen, sheds, attics, warehouses, you name it, you can put this in there. It is 48 by 24 by 72 inches. Each one of the shelves is adjustable, so you can put it wherever you need it to go. And it does claim that it has a 2,000 weight-pound capacity with 400 pounds per shelf. They do say that this is a rust-proof paint, and it is made of carbon fiber. And they say you can do it in 10 minutes with just a few tools, rubber mallet, gloves, and I'm probably going to have to use some kind of utility knife to cut around where all of the tape is on the box. So let's go ahead and jump in, show you what it looks like afterwards, and give you guys my honest review on it. One thing I did want to mention is FLEXIMOUNTS is a U.S. company dedicated to providing effortless storage and organizational solutions for garage and home. Their products are highly rated on Amazon, and their classic garage racks being the best sellers, trusted by many for their quality and innovation. And so you can see that right here as really well put together, very strong. So we're going to go ahead and get started. We'll go ahead and cut the box. So I'm just cutting where the tape is at. Right here's your instructions. It looks like you have some different pieces in here as well. It does look like they give you a little mallet. Didn't know they did that, so that's pretty cool. I do want to be careful here as I'm cutting these boxes open. I don't want to scratch anything below. And so this does give you a pair of work gloves as well. Those are the corner brackets. You do want to be very careful when you're working with metal. That is why they do provide you with the gloves, and your other glove is in here if you do want those usable for this. So let's go ahead and pull these out, and we'll get down to the shelves. This is where you need to be extra careful not to hurt the shelves, but you will need to cut each one of these off. They are metal shelves, so they shouldn't really get hurt, but just take your time, be careful. And each one of the metal shelves are inside of here. Perfect. So we're going to go ahead and come in here and find the caps, which are in this bag. And they look like this. So once you have the 4 of them, we need to take these to where the big circle is down and put them on the top here, just like this, on all 4 of these. Perfect, just like that. So each one of these is the base, because you'll put it in and it goes down. And just to show you kind of what that looks like, you'll need to use your rubber mallet to hit it in, but this would be one of the shorter sides. Then you'll take the longer one and do the same concept. Just like that. You want to make sure it looks like this, so the metal shelf can sit right on top of it right here. And you will want to kind of pound these in. You're going to do that and make it, so I'll show you over here how that's done. Go ahead and grab the next one. So once you get the first one done, it will start to go a lot quicker, and also it will be firmer. So if it seems a little wobbly right now, it reinforces on itself, and that's how it has so much strength. So we're just going to continue to repeat that process wherever you want the next shelf, however high you want that to be. So I'm going to be using this right here as kind of a gauge for how high I want each of these shelves to be. So I'm just going to set it on here because I do want some wiggle room with it. Because that will allow you to be able to get it in and out pretty easily. And we'll just go around with the same process. And then at this point, you're going to need to use these on all 4 of the corners. Each box does have 2 of them in it. Just like the feet, these ones just go in and lock into place so the next rail can go up on top of it. Since I am making this one go straight up, you're going to want to go ahead and install these on the other 4 posts. So it's going to be identical to what we did before. And so these posts will go inside of here. So just like that. So we'll go ahead and put these on all 4. So this next step is really important that I show you good detail on it. Pieces in each of the corners. And then one of these is going to go on each side of this. So after I insert the post, you're going to have one on each side, and that's how it becomes secure. So we'll go ahead and install that. And then I'm going to come to that low section on each of them and push down and tap that in. And then temporarily, I'm just going to set it right there so I can go grab the next one. So I'm going to go ahead and remove it. We'll put the top piece on. Then I will put it in. And then tap it down. We'll do that all the way around. Then you'll choose where you want the rest of your shelves to go and just keep working at it. So it does encourage you to mount this to a wall of some sort if you have it like in a house or anything like that. But in my garage, I'm not going to do that, but it is something you can do. You just literally put it in, hammer it down, put a screw that they provide right into your wall. But I'm going to go ahead and put the shelves on each one of these now. You can do this same process for all 5 of the shelves, and just take your time by putting them in and making sure they are flush all the way around. So we are done. The build quality looks really good on this. Very nice and firm. Says you can put a couple 1,000 pounds. I'm putting a bunch of my weight on it. It's not moving at all. I'm going to go ahead and put this into position and go ahead and start setting it up. So you are able to fully load this thing. This box itself is 100 pounds, and this is about 100 pounds. That's a box full of rotors and brake pads, and then a bunch of other things all on this rack here. It is very secure. I really like it. Super easy to put together, and has the ability to increase your storage really like a whole lot more. Instead of just having junk on the ground, it's nice and organized right here. If you did like this video, make sure to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Put a comment down in the comment section down below. And if you've not subscribed to MC Fix It yet, please do so. Thank you guys so much for watching.